This one wants to take it a little further than the last one because it says use the given information to find the unknown value. Well, in order to find that unknown value, I have to figure out the function first, just like I did in the last two problems. So it starts with y, so y goes right there, and then we're back to varies directly. So varying directly means equals k times, varies directly as the cube of x, the cube of x, not cubed root, cube. That means x to the third power. So that's my function, y equals k times x to the third. And then they tell me, okay, when x is a 4 and y is a 7, so right here where the y is, I'll put a 7, and that's going to be k times, and x is the 4. Oh boy, I can see what's going to happen on this one. All right, 4 to the third power is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So k times 64 is a 64k. And then if I divide both sides by 64, yeah, the 64s cancel out, leaving me with k. However, if you take 7 and divide it by 64, you get a very nasty decimal. This says enter an exact answer. Fractions are exact. Unless a decimal is a terminating decimal, it's not exact. So now that I have what k is, here's k, you're going to take that and put it here and then rewrite this function as, go up here, y equals 7/64 times x cubed. And now it says find y when x is 5. So I now have to put the 5 where the x is and do the math, and I can solve this for y. So y is 7/64 times 5 cubed, and 5 cubed is 125. Or you can say it's 125 over 1. Unfortunately, I can't cross cancel anything. 7/64 doesn't reduce, and 64 and 125 have no common factors. The only thing I can do is take denominator times denominator. 64 times 1 is 64, and then 7 times 125 would be, is it 875? Grab my calculator, clear it out. 7 times 125 is, yeah, 875. Should have trusted my gut. And that can't be reduced either. If you can't cross cancel and reduce fractions before you multiply, you won't be able to do it after. And I know it's not a pretty answer, but it did say exact. So 875 over 64. 875/64. They didn't give me the fraction ability, so where's how did I do? And there you go. And again, don't forget, if you do get it right, they will give you an explanation. But they don't give you the explanation until after you get it right. So, Mobius.